Hey guys, check out our diamond interior cleaner. It's really great at cleaning pieces like this. You can see how dirty it is. All you do is spray the product. And because it's so dirty, we want to kind of let it soak a little bit. You guys can see all that dirt. So what you want to do is utilize the sides of your towels. So fold it. And you're going to pick up the first time. You can see all that dirt. You don't want to be rubbing that in. So what you want to do is flip it over and then buff it off. Now I'm sure there's so much dirt that it might even stain some pieces. But we're going to come in here again. Wipe. Okay, you're going to see all that dirt. And then I like to use a separate microfiber and just buff everything away. If we really want to get this to the next level, we can polish or use Revolution for for dressing it. Guys, check out our diamond interior cleaner at SudzBox.com.